Wider responsibilities. Welcome to Wider Responsibilities, where we explore key elements of sustainable tourism, community engagement, and poverty eradication. This session highlights the role of UNWTO, ethical tourism, and the preservation of heritage and biodiversity. Together, let's understand how these pillars support global development goals. UNWTO. The UNWTO is a specialized agency of the United Nations dedicated to promoting tourism that is responsible, sustainable, and accessible for everyone. It works globally to enhance tourism's role in economic growth, environmental preservation, and cultural understanding. Through its initiatives, the UNWTO aims to ensure that tourism benefits communities, respects cultural heritage, and supports sustainable development goals. Elements of tourism. Tourism is built on 5 key components. Attraction. These are the destinations or features that draw visitors, such as historical sites, natural wonders, or cultural events. Accessibility. Easy access through transport options like roads, railways, or airports is vital for enabling travel. Accommodation. A variety of places to stay, from hotels to hostels, ensures comfort for travelers. Amenities. Services like restaurants, shops, and medical facilities enhance convenience and satisfaction. Activities. Engaging experiences such as adventure sports, sightseeing, or local tours add value to the trip. Importance of tourism. Tourism plays a vital role in several ways. Economic growth. It generates substantial revenue, contributing to the local and national economy. Job creation. Tourism provides diverse employment opportunities across sectors like hospitality, transportation, and retail. Infrastructure development. The demand for better facilities leads to improvements in roads, airports, and public services. Cultural exchange. Tourism fosters understanding and appreciation between different cultures, enriching both visitors and hosts. Goals of UNWTO. The UNWTO aims to support global goals such as ending poverty and hunger, improving health, promoting quality education, gender equality, clean water, clean energy, economic growth, sustainable cities, and responsible consumption. Additional goals include climate action, protecting life below water and on land, promoting peace and justice, and forming partnerships for sustainable development. Pillars of tourism. Transportation. Efficient travel options like airlines, trains, and buses ensure tourists reach their destinations comfortably. Accommodation. Hotels, resorts, and guest houses provide essential lodging services. Food and beverage services. Restaurants and cafes cater to the diverse culinary needs of travelers. Travel agents. They help plan and organize seamless travel experiences. Souvenirs and handicrafts. These provide memorable keepsakes that highlight local culture. Attractions. Iconic landmarks, natural wonders, and events draw visitors from around the world. Entertainment. Activities like performances, festivals, and nightlife add excitement to trips. Allied services. Support services like banking, healthcare, and insurance enhance convenience for tourists. Tourism planning and development. Strategic initiatives ensure sustainable growth and a positive experience for all. Ethical tourism. Ethical tourism focuses on fostering mutual understanding and respect between visitors and host communities. It supports sustainable development by minimizing environmental impact and promoting responsible practices. This type of tourism also enhances cultural heritage, preserving traditions and local identities, while providing tangible benefits, such as economic support, to the host communities. By choosing ethical tourism, travelers contribute to a positive impact on the world while enjoying meaningful and enriching experiences. Community engagement. Community engagement in tourism is essential for fostering sustainable and responsible tourism practices. It involves collaborating with local communities to improve environmental and behavioral standards, ensuring that tourism activities benefit both visitors and residents. This engagement helps build trust, gain community acceptance, and create a sense of ownership, encouraging locals to actively participate in tourism development. By involving the community in decision-making, tourism becomes more inclusive and culturally sensitive, resulting in well-rounded decisions that respect the needs and aspirations of the local population while enhancing the overall tourism experience. Importance of community engagement. The importance of community engagement, highlighting that it builds trust between leaders and the community, fosters better decision-making by addressing diverse issues, and increases the likelihood that the community will accept recommendations. Engaging the community ensures that strategies, policies, or plans are more inclusive, reflect community needs, and are politically robust, as they have broader support and legitimacy. Ultimately, community engagement helps create stronger relationships and more effective, widely supported outcomes. Community engagement steps. This infographic outlines 8 steps for community engagement. Step 1. Reflect and strategize. Think about the purpose and goals of the community engagement. Develop a plan for how to achieve these goals. Step 2. Identify and engage stakeholders. Identify who is affected by the issue or project. Reach out to them and get their input. Step 3. Define the community. Understand the community's demographics and needs. Identify the key issues facing the community. Step 4. Collect and analyze data. Gather information about the community's needs and priorities. Analyze the data to identify trends and patterns. Step 5. Prioritize community health issues. Identify the most pressing issues facing the community. Prioritize them based on their impact and feasibility. Step 6. Document and communicate results. Share the findings of the community engagement process. Communicate the results to stakeholders and the community. Step 7. Plan implementation strategies. Develop a plan for how to implement the community engagement findings. Identify the resources and support needed to implement the plan. Step 8. Implement strategies. Put the plan into action. Monitor progress and make adjustments as needed. Poverty and poverty eradication. Poverty is defined as the condition where individuals lack access to basic necessities such as food, clothing, and shelter, which are essential for a dignified and healthy life. It is often caused by factors like unemployment, lack of education, economic disparities, and social inequalities. Poverty not only limits an individual's ability to meet daily needs but also impacts access to opportunities such as education, healthcare, and employment, perpetuating a cycle of hardship. Poverty eradication, on the other hand, involves strategic and sustained efforts to permanently uplift people from the state. This includes economic initiatives like creating jobs, improving wages, and fostering economic growth, as well as humanitarian actions such as providing education, healthcare, and social support systems. Reasons for poverty. Lists the reasons for poverty and highlights key contributing factors. Increase in population growth. Rapid population growth puts pressure on resources, reducing per capita availability and contributing to poverty. Low productivity in agriculture. Poor agricultural practices, lack of technology, and limited resources result in insufficient output to sustain livelihoods. Underutilization of resources, inefficient use or neglect of natural and human resources limits economic development and employment opportunities. Rising prices, inflation increases the cost of living, making it harder for low-income individuals to afford basic necessities. Unemployment, lack of job opportunities prevents individuals from earning a stable income, pushing many into poverty. Unequal income distribution. Wealth disparities create significant gaps between the rich and the poor, with insufficient provisions to meet the basic needs of underprivileged populations. The accompanying image reinforces the idea of economic inequality and the challenges faced by the underprivileged. Solutions to poverty. Solutions to poverty and focuses on strategies to empower individuals and communities. Sustainable farming. Promoting eco-friendly and efficient agricultural practices to increase productivity and ensure long-term food security. Dairy farming development, encouraging dairy farming as an additional source of income for rural households to boost economic stability. Women's economic empowerment, providing opportunities for women to participate in the workforce, gain financial independence, and contribute to community development. Skills training, offering training programs to equip individuals with skills that enhance their employability and income generation. Vocational education programs, implementing education initiatives focused on technical and practical skills to prepare people for specific careers and sustainable livelihoods. Anti-poverty schemes. Anti-poverty schemes initiated by the Indian government to alleviate poverty and improve the livelihoods of marginalized communities. Integrated Rural Development Program, IRDP aims to provide employment and support rural development through skill training and infrastructure development. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana, JGSY focuses on creating rural infrastructure and generating employment opportunities for rural poor. Employment Assurance Scheme, provides guaranteed employment to unskilled laborers in rural areas during lean agricultural seasons. Food for Work Program, ensures food security by compensating rural laborers with food in exchange for their work on development projects. National Family Benefit Scheme, NFBS offers financial assistance to families below the poverty line in case of the breadwinner's death. Sampurn Gramin Rozgar Yojana, SGRY combines wage employment with rural infrastructure development to address poverty in rural regions. History and heritage. History refers to the study and understanding of the origins, events, and evolution of civilizations over time. It encompasses significant occurrences, societal changes, and the actions of individuals and groups that have shaped the world. History provides a chronological record of human progress, offering insights into how societies, cultures, and nations have developed and interacted throughout the ages. Heritage, on the other hand, is the legacy passed down from past generations, which includes both tangible and intangible elements. Tangible heritage consists of artifacts, historic sites, monuments, and architecture, while intangible heritage includes traditions, languages, literature, art forms, and cultural practices. Heritage is a reflection of a community's identity and values, serving as a bridge between the past and present. Together, history and heritage provide a comprehensive understanding of human development, preserving the knowledge and culture of civilizations for future generations. Importance of heritage preservation. Preserving heritage is vital as it fosters respect for the achievements, values, and traditions of past societies, allowing us to learn from their experiences and appreciate their contributions to human development. It empowers local communities by promoting cultural pride and unity, giving them a stronger sense of identity and belonging. Furthermore, heritage preservation supports vulnerable groups by creating economic opportunities through tourism, crafts, and cultural activities, while also providing platforms to keep their traditions alive. Ultimately, preserving heritage bridges the past and present, ensuring that cultural legacies are honored and sustained for future generations. Biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity conservation is essential for maintaining the health and balance of ecosystems by protecting the wide variety of species, their habitats, and genetic diversity. It ensures the survival of plants, animals, and microorganisms that play critical roles in ecological processes such as pollination, nutrient cycling, and climate regulation. Preserving habitats and ecosystems safeguards the delicate interconnections between species, preventing disruptions that could lead to extinction or environmental degradation. Furthermore, conserving biodiversity supports human well-being by sustaining natural resources, such as food, water, and medicines, and by providing resilience against climate change. Ultimately, biodiversity conservation is crucial for maintaining ecological balance and securing a sustainable future for all life forms. Importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity is essential for the planet's health and human well-being as it plays a vital role in various ecological and life-supporting processes. It supports genetic diversity, which strengthens species' adaptability to environmental changes and challenges, such as diseases or climate shifts. Biodiversity helps protect freshwater resources by maintaining healthy ecosystems that filter and regulate water supplies. It contributes to disaster recovery, as diverse ecosystems like mangroves and forests act as natural buffers against floods, storms, and erosion. By balancing ecosystems, biodiversity ensures the stability of natural food chains and the smooth functioning of interdependent species. It is critical for food security, providing a variety of crops, livestock, and marine life essential for human sustenance. Furthermore, biodiversity promotes soil formation and fertility, enabling agricultural productivity, and supports the maintenance of natural cycles essential for life on Earth. In short, biodiversity is the foundation of ecological balance and a sustainable future. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please contact TSD Office Engineering, GHG. We appreciate your interest in ESG initiatives.